hi friend, I'm Nisha. Welcome to my new another video. So in this video, my dear friend, I am going to share about my experience, and after listening that one, I'm completely saying you are going to get a lot of solution for your problem. How I solved this issue initially and made it possible. See, I am also a villager, studied from Hindi background, and I had also this challenge. But I defeated those challenges and learnt this language, created environment for me, and this time I have so many English friends with whom I do speaking practice easily. I don't need to think, I don't need to struggle for partner this time, and everything I have done free of cost without spending any single coin. So, in your case, my dear friend, how you can make it possible, I am going to tell you. So, what happened when I decided to learn this language? I also, faced the same situation in my initial time, and that time I, found one application for speaking practice, and this time you also might have, not might have, must have so many speaking platform, but over there also, my dear friend, we get some issue. I was having some issue. I had to struggle for partner sometimes and lose my time as well. And you can correlate if you are depend only on application speaking platform and you are a free user, so you can correlate what kind of issue we get. And I was the same, free user, limit time, and some issue. Some days it was going good, some days I had to lose my time as well. So that time I thought strongly, in this way I'm not going to learn this language, speak English. There should be consistency in my speaking, in my practice, and for that I have to do something else. But there was one another problem, that was, I could not take subscription. I could not pay money and get the unlimited time, because I don't have Google Pay and other things, because I didn't know how to pay money online and anything. Still I haven't done. I do offline everything. So it was challenge, and also money I could not do, you know like 500, 300, no, only I could do 20, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, more, not more than that. But I didn't know that online, taking subscription, and even I didn't have also. So in your case, my dear friend, so many of you don't have that online pay and so many things you do offline. I was the also same, but I had desire, and you also must have desire. So my desire was higher than my problem. And it is said, if you seek anything profoundly, deeply, eagerly, God provide you. Universe provide you. And also God provided me some ideas. I got ideas. I can't pay money. I know can't pay subscription, but I have to do a speaking practice continuously to speak English to make it possible. And that idea I got, I'm sharing you. I got idea to share my contact to other people, and it was very hard for me, for a villager girl. you know I am now, I'm becoming confident, and I know I have become also, but that time I was too much introvert, low confident, under the confident, feeling fear to sharing my contact, even it was risk for me. But in front of my desire of learning English, of speaking English, I, did that one. I took that risk and shared my contact. And that was not so easy for me. So, money issue, introvert, under the confident, and not getting partner, this kind of issue I had, and you must be also facing this time right now. I had to do everything free of cost without money. So how I did, I shared my contact with some friend. Over there I observed who is serious learner, who is really want to learn this language. I shared my contact with them. Why it was, very much important for me to find a serious learner, because I was going to share my contact. So I should have a serious learner who could, you know help me, with whom I can do a speaking practice and make it possible. Not such person, I'm telling let's do practice, and she is telling no, 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 let it be today, we will do tomorrow, we have time, I am busy. Not such person I didn't want. And luckily, by the grace of God, I got such friend. We are active, okay? We take action, we are not sluggish. We take action, we are active, and we do speaking practice. We set time, one specific time for doing speaking practice. Why? Because we have different profession, and we are laden with different kind of work. So we chose a specific time to do a speaking practice, and that time we are ready, and do our speaking practice, no matter how much works we have. But that time we have to leave the work, aside the work, and do speaking practice. So that kind of partner you need to find, my friend, if you have need a partner. So if you have money issue, yeah, whatever issue I shared with you, if you are having such issue, so you can make it friend, you can find a practice partner in this way. But make sure one thing, that search, find a serious learner who has really a strong desire, a strong reason to learn this language. As it is said that with whom you spend time more and more, their habit, their way of thinking, everything, energy of those people effect on you. So if they are negative and sluggish, lazy, those energy will affect you and make you like them. So choose your circle carefully and make the positive active circle, community, friend for you, so that will help you, lead you to achieve your goal, to do hard work, to take action. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.